women you won't believe actually exist. Sisters Hansel. Sisters Abigail and Brittany Hansel, conjoined twins that physically stay in one piece, live quite a full life. These disciples twins have one torso, 2 arms, 2 legs, and 3 lungs. The heart and stomach each their own, but overall blood flow between them. 2 spinal cord ends in one pelvis, and all organs below the waist are common. Each sister controls the arm and the leg on her side, and each feels a touch only to her half of her body. But they are so well coordinated their movements that they can walk, run, ride a bike, drive a car, and swim. They learned to sing and play the piano. Abby plays right hand and her sister left. Marilyn was savant. American writer, dramatist, and journalist, Marilyn Vos Savant was obvious wonderkind. She was born in 1946 in St. Louis, Missouri, and from early age it was obvious that the girl had the uncommon abilities. In 10 years, Marilyn has passed her first test of intelligence level, Stanford Binet test. She showed an impressive result of 228 points. From 1986 to 1989, Vos Savant was included in the Guinness Book of Records as the possessor of the highest IQ. Mayra Hills, Be Shine. 31-year-old German model for adults, Mayra Hills, better known as Be Shine, always dreamed of a huge bust. Now she doesn't remember exactly and how to begin her obsession of silicone curves. Several plastic surgery have made her dream a reality. At the moment in the world, she is the owner of the biggest silicone breast. Adrian Lewis. 18-year-old Adrian Lewis from Twin Lake, Michigan, USA, has received from nature a rather unusual gift. So long tongue. Her tongue is so long that she may even lick not only her own elbow, but also her eye. Adriana considers her tongue the longest in the world and looks forward to its registration in the Guinness Book of Records. Although the possession of the long tongue is not fun, unfortunately she often hears the attacks, especially from teenagers. Adriana uploads videos with her tongue in YouTube, thus she increases her popularity.